Hello everyone, welcome back to EduTap. I hope you all are absolutely doing good and you all are preparing for RBI Grade B in the best manner as possible. Okay, so today in this particular video we are launching our very much awaited course of RBI Grade B 2024, and this particular course is quick revision batch which will target the phase 1 component of RBI Grade B. Now I will not waste much of your time because I hope you all are studying in the best manner as possible and the time is very much crucial now. So I will directly take you towards our course and I will let you know that how the course looks like. Okay, so this is how the overall course of, I would say, quick revision batch looks like. RBI Grade B phase 1 quick revision batch. First and the foremost important thing, please remember that we will only cater to phase 1 in this particular course. We will not provide you, or we will not be able to cater anything towards phase 2 or phase 3, which is your interview. So this particular course is specifically designed for those students who want to exceed, those students who want to clear phase 1 of RBI Grade B exam. Okay, now in your phase 1 we have your 4 components, which is your quant, reasoning, English and current affairs. All the 4 components are holistically covered in this particular course. Okay, for example, in this particular course you will first get live classes. In live classes, definitely a teacher will come and teach you the concept, and then definitely you will be given something as a homework as well. By homework I mean that you will have to practice multiple questions. Okay, so first I am showing you the live classes. Like if I open the schedule of live classes, if I just open the schedule for you, this is the schedule of RBI Grade B quick revision batch for phase 1. In total we are providing you 17 live classes which will start from 13th of August and it will run up to 31st of August. Okay, so they are starting from 13th August and they are running from 31st of August. Okay, first we will cover English, then we will cover reasoning, then we will cover quantitative aptitude, and then we will also cover journal awareness. Okay, all the 4 sections are required in the best manner as possible for phase 1 of RBI Grade B. If you are not able to clear the cutoff of quants, and if you are able to clear the overall cutoff, then also you will not be called as a successful candidate in phase 1 because you have to clear the sectional and the overall cutoff also. Okay, so all the 4 components we are paying equal attention. We are making sure that students are able to understand all the concepts in the best manner as possible. Okay, moreover, the timing of live classes are 10 AM in the morning and they will finish up to 2 PM in the evening. Okay, not evening, sorry, it will end up in the afternoon. Okay, 10 AM in the morning to 2 PM in the afternoon. Okay, so first English, then reasoning, then quants, and then journal awareness. Now my friends, a very basic question which you will ask me. You can ask me that, sir, will I get the recording of live classes? Yes, you will get the recording of live classes, but we will generally advise to the students that attend the live class, see the live class, practice the questions in your homework. Okay, but by chance if you are missing any live class, then you can watch the recorded video as well. Yes, we will provide you a recorded video of the live class which you have missed, and definitely you will be able to watch the recording of that particular live class also. Okay, so we have covered you in the best manner as possible. Moreover, in this live class, the one question which students will also ask me regarding this live class is, shall we will cover all the concepts, all like 100% of the coverage? The answer is no. See, the time is limited now. Our teachers will tell you the most important topics which you have to cover to clear phase 1 of RBI Grade B. So the extent of coverage will be roughly around 80 to 85 or max to max 90% of the topics and not 100%. Okay, I am not lying to you. I just wanted to tell you basic facts that in the span of, I would say, from 13th August to 30th August, we cannot cover entire syllabus of RBI, right? But we can provide you an extra push. We can provide you the finer, I would say, polish to your preparation. And our teachers will tell you that this topic is important, do it. This particular topic is not that important, so leave it. Okay, this is the benefit of live classes. All the folders are already made regarding the live classes also. Okay, so this is regarding RBI Grade B quick revision batch of live classes. And yes, do join this particular course only if you are like confident that yes, I need to clear RBI Grade B this year. Okay, if you are having that inner fire, then only join this particular course, because our teachers will give 100%. So we expect you also to give your 100%. Okay, so it's like 100 from ours, 100 from you, and definitely success is bound to come then. Okay, one more thing my friends, this course is quite, I would say, a quite holistic course. Why? Because once you attend the live classes, then we will also provide you practice material. Okay, practice material has been provided separately for quants, reasoning and English. For example, if I open quants, Okay, in quants, if you see, all the chapters are provided you in a very organized manner. Chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 5, chapter 6, 7, 8, and so on and so forth. Okay, so for example, if I'm opening the chapter of ratio and proportion, okay, so ratio proportion में we are first providing you the quizzes. पहले हम आपको क्विजेस देंगे जिससे आप प्रैक्टिस कर सको थोड़ा और, बिकॉज द वंस यू प्रैक्टिस मोर एंड मोर, वंस यू प्रैक्टिस मोर एंड मोर, देन ओनली यू विल इंक्रीज इन योर कॉन्फिडेंस, देन ओनली you can become the master of the subject. Okay, so for each chapter, if you see, we have provided you three quizzes, out of which quiz number 3 is of RBI Grade B level, which is quite tough to solve. Okay, moreover, we are also providing you solve previous year question. Okay, so solve previous year question will include all the questions of that particular topic from the year 2017 onwards, if there are questions from it. For example, if you see, this question has appeared in RBI Grade B 2017. So first we are providing you the question, then we are also providing you the explanation of it. First we are providing you the written explanation, but if you are not able to understand it with the help of written explanation, then we are also providing you a concept class, which is like a recording of the solution of the previous year questions. So we are providing you solve previous year questions video also. अगर आपको written explanation समझ में नहीं आया तो आप इस वीडियो में जाके उसका video explanation भी देख सकते हो. Okay, the major objective is that you should solve all the previous year questions, because they will give you enough confidence that yes, I can solve multiple questions now. Like this, if you open any chapter like time and work, again 3 quizzes are provided. Quiz 1 and 2 are of easy to moderate, and quiz 3 is of tough level. Okay, and we are also providing you solve previous year questions, and if you are not able to understand the written form, then you can also watch the video also. Cool. So this is what we are providing you in quants. Then the same story continues in reasoning and English also. In reasoning also we are providing you, I would say, chapter wise quizzes, so that you can practice. For example, in the live class you have understood that what is syllogism today. Now it's your duty to go back home and practice some questions on syllogism. Okay, so once you are doing your homework, you just have to open the reasoning bundle, and once you open the reasoning bundle, you have to just go in syllogism. Just see, I would say, quiz 1, quiz 2 and quiz 3. For example, I am attempting quiz 1, or I am attempting quiz 2. So for example, I will take the test. Once you are taking the test, definitely you can definitely answer your questions, and mind you, you will be tested on multiple of the topics. Okay, once you are done with the questions, then you can press submit, and the detailed analysis of your question will appear. Okay, now this is how the analysis will come. You will come to know that how many questions you have attempted, how many questions you have skipped, how many questions you could have done better, and you will also get your, I would say, toppers rank if you are in the list of toppers. Okay, so this is how the quiz will look like, and mind you, my friends, this analysis will help you to increase your performance. Moreover, with reasoning also we are providing you solve previous year questions. Okay, solve previous year questions are provided with every chapter, be it of quants, be it of reasoning, be it of English also. So this is for syllogism document, like this question has appeared in RBI Grade B 2017. Then first questions are provided to you, then the written explanation will also be provided. Something like this. Okay, but if you are not satisfied, then I have told to you कि आपके पास video भी है, you can go and watch the video also if you are not able to understand any solution in the written format. So this story continues with every chapter of reasoning also. Okay, like in statement course of action, again quizzes are there, solve previous year questions are there, statement assumptions, input and output, puzzles. In puzzles also we are providing you more and more quizzes. Like in puzzles we are providing you 6 quizzes, so that you can practice. 50% of your reasoning paper will be made of puzzles only, so you have to practice puzzles a lot. And for puzzles we are also providing you solve previous year questions and video explanation of it also. So this was regarding reasoning. And the same story continues in English also. In English also we will provide you the quizzes and solve previous year questions. Okay, then we are also providing you current affairs. Now in current affairs, definitely it's a very big section. Out of 200 marks, 80 marks are of current affairs only. So first we are providing you current affairs in a very holistic manner. We are first providing you schemes tab. Schemes tab will cover the government news which are in news. It will cover the government schemes which are in news. So if I open the schemes tab of July, okay, if I open the schemes tab of 1st to 31st of July, definitely once you open this document, it is quite, I would say, comprehensive. It is quite interactive also. For example, if I open any scheme, for example, if I open Jan if I open Pradhan Mantri Jan Vikas Karyakram, which is falling under the domain of Ministry of Minority Affairs, once you press it, definitely you will be able to see that why it is in news. And then we also provide you a mind map. This mind map is kind of interactive in nature, कि आपको जल्दी से चीजें याद हो जाए. जैसे प्रधानमंत्री जन विकास कार्यक्रम किस मिनिस्ट्री के अंदर आती है? मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ माइनॉरिटी अफेयर्स. It was restructured in the year 1718. Like this, we are providing you multiple schemes in a very best manner as possible. Okay, mind map से क्या होता है, आपको चीजें थोड़ी जल्दी याद हो जाती है. So that gives you a competitive advantage. With schemes tab, we are also providing you reports tab. We are also providing you currents tab. Schemes tab में आपको schemes related information मिलेगी. Reports tab में you will find all the major reports and indices which have been released in the past 3 to 4 months. Current tab will include banking related CA, so current tab is also there to help you. And yes, all the documents are having good interactive, I would say, graphics. They are also made sure that they are comprehensive. Okay, आपको सिर्फ इन्हें पढ़ना है. अगर आप कोर्स लेते हो तो you do not have to read any other material, because इनको पढ़ लो वही बहुत है. And definitely with that we are also providing you quizzes. जैसे अगर आपने स्कीम्स टैब का क्विज स्कीम्स टैब पूरा कवर कर लिया है, देन आप उस पर क्विज भी दो. ट्राई टू सी द नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस व्हिच यू आर एबल टू आंसर. सो टुडे इफ आई हैव कवर्ड स्कीम्स टैब डॉक्यूमेंट, tomorrow I can give the quiz so that I can check whether I know the schemes or not. So it's like learn and then you have to practice quiz. Okay, we are also providing you RBI News tab. RBI News tab is for those news which are related to RBI, like RBI notifications, RBI master direction, RBI press releases and whatnot. So this is for, I would say, what, RBI related domain, and this is the most important, I would say, what, this is the most important of all the current affairs, because RBI will ask multiple questions related to RBI in the current affairs of phase 1 of RBI grade B. Okay, so if I open RBI News tab 1st to 31st of July, definitely you can see the document. It is quite comprehensive and it will cover all the important schemes one by one, all the important news one by one. For example, if RBI is imposing penalty on any bank, for example, who is the new executive director of RBI, and everything is provided in a kind of a mind map manner so that you can remember. And yes, you can also download these documents. You just need to click on attachment, press download. And yes, you can also download the solve previous year questions document. That is also downloadable. You just need to click on attachment and the file will be downloaded in your folder. As simple as that. Okay, so this was regarding, I would say, RBI News tab. And like in there are multiple reports also which are provided separately, but first I will advise you to cover schemes tab, reports tab, current tab and RBI News tab. That is the majority of the section which you have to cover. Okay, then to motivate you, we are also providing you weekly mentor talk. Weekly mentor talk is for, I would say, those students who are finding difficulty in understanding the concept. They can connect to their teacher and teacher will motivate him. Teacher will motivate them by addressing their issues, by addressing their self-anxiety and self-doubt as well. Moreover, at last we are also providing you sectional and full-length mock test. Sectional tests are for those people who want to increase their, I would say, speed in quants. Okay, so we are providing you 10 sectional tests for quants, we are providing you 10 sectional tests for reasoning, and we are also providing you 10 sectional tests for English also. Sectional tests are a must do because you have to increase your speed once you are solving a question in the real exam also. Moreover, we are also providing you full length mock test. Full length mock test is like it will include all the different things. First, journal awareness, reasoning, English, and then your quants. Okay, like the same order is followed which is followed in your phase 1 of RBI grade B. So you have to practice a lot for phase 1, and do remember, my friends, phase 1 is the real competition now. Okay, because of less number of vacancies. So if you are looking for a course which can give you a quick revision, then this is the course for you. This is the course for you. And yes, the best thing, currently we are running 63% off. 63% off. You just need to use this coupon which is RBI 63. Okay, we are running 63% off, and if you use this particular code RBI 63, definitely this course will become pocket friendly and it will become, I would say affordable for you also. I hope all the important components are very much clear to you now. And yes, once you attempt a weekly mentor talk, definitely you will get a vibe that yes, I can clear these exam now. On that note, my friend, I will take your leave now. I have told to you that what is the overall, I would say, the course is all about. And yes, do join this particular course only if you are looking for revision, only if you are looking for, I would say, that extra push, only if you are looking for, I would say, what, that yes, I have to clear phase 1 now. Okay, so your determination is needed, your passion is needed, your grit is needed. Then only we will be able to make you as an RBI grade B officer. Do join this course only if that there is an inner fire in you. Okay, so on that note, bye bye, take care and have a good day ahead, and I hope you will join this particular course and we will meet you in live classes. Okay, bye bye, take care and have a good day ahead.